How is everyone? We at Mommy's World for you and me hope that you all are staying indoors, staying safe and going out only when it is required. Right. We have been working with lot many entrepreneurs. We really are working hard to bring lot many things in front of you which can benefit you. We have been following, presenting, we have been discussing a lot many things with the entrepreneurs and for the entrepreneurs on different platforms we work for. We want to grow with them, we want to help them to reach the mass audience, and that's when the Friday Instagram series works wonders. हम लोग ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जानते हैं कि जब भी कोई स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्रेन्योर ग्रो करना चाहता है तो वो किसी ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म का सपोर्ट चाहता है जहां पर उन्हें नॉन बायस्ड रिव्यूज मिले, उनकी ग्रोथ को अप्रिशिएट किया जाए और ये जाना जाए कि उनके एफर्ट्स में कोई कमी तो नहीं रह गई है या जितने एफर्ट्स वो लोग डाल रहे हैं उसका पूरा फायदा हर एक को मिले. With everything going around in this pandemic, we have decided and started the initiatives which can work beautiful for everyone. Not for all the small scale entrepreneurs, also for the people who are sitting at home and looking something to work on. For this, you can refer our Facebook community, Mommy's World for you and me. We really want people to understand that we are there for you, and if any time you feel like discussing, sharing and joining us in this crowd, you will find us standing there by your side. We will help you grow, we'll help you reach. Not only this, we'll make sure that you get benefit of your all the effort you are putting in. With all these things, we have started this Instagram live series on Fridays 7 p.m. We always bring some good people here to discuss things which can be of benefit for us, for you and me. Mommy's World. Yes. So the world of moms rotates around little ones. Also, we always forget to look after ourselves. How many times you thought that our hair fall has increased and we really need to follow something? It's just not the diet. It's just not the stress, but so many things we have to do that. How many times you thought that your skin is become oily or it is getting dried? How many times you have taken utmost care, the required care for yourself, for yourself. It is very important that we should remember the things we want to do for ourselves should be continued for always. To keep this thing in mind, today we are having the founder of Glow and Bloom, Mommy Shalini Bohra. And trust me guys, she has organic stuff. Like she make all these stuff herself at home. She makes sure that she is sending every nook and corner her stuff. She's making it sure that whenever this stuff is made, it is in front of her eyes. She has good stock at home because she get it done in front of her. Probably she has a good team from whom she gets it done. But yes, when we are able to find organic things, nothing like it, right? We often forget कि हमें बहुत ध्यान देना है, फैमिली के साथ ध्यान देते तो ये सब चीज़ें चली जाती हैं. तो आज हम शालिनी बोहरा से ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. जब वो लाइव आती है हम लोग जस्ट वेट करते हैं उनके आने का, और हम आज उनसे ये सब चीज़ें जानेंगे कि क्या किया जा सकता है, उस रूटीन को कैसे फॉलो किया जा सकता है जो हमें हेल्प करेगा हमारे हेयर केयर के लिए, स्किन केयर के लिए. उन्होंने अपना स्टार्टअप कैसे किया, बिकॉज ग्लो एंड ब्लूम हैज सम गुड फॉलोअर्स इन देयर अकाउंट. So we want Shalini Sharma to join in and discuss and leak some secrets for sure that I'm reading your comments and asking her so that no queries are unanswered.
Hello.
Hi Shalini.
Hi, Shalu. How are you?
I'm all good and so good to see you. Why?
Thank
Because
you so
you are going to
much.
give us something important, which we all women really need. The most awaited
Sure.
topic, yes, Shweta. So our members are waiting, and since the time I have announced this, want to know first of all what is Glow and Bloom and how did you found this?
See, firstly, thank you. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be here, like with you. That is like really great for me. Like in my starting this mompreneur, entrepreneur, this thing, you were also one of the greatest support to me. So really thank you so much. Now,
Pleasure.
I'll just tell you how I started all this. It was my mom. Like from since childhood, we are seeing my mom. She's making oils, uptons, everything for us. Like हाँ, मतलब बहुत देखा हमने कि मम्मी ने ही बनाया हमारे लिए. तो बस ठीक है, मतलब कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि मतलब मम्मी बना के दे रही है तो अपन को क्या करना.
I
Kind
know,
of.
I know.
And like I'll tell you my education background. I have done masters in computer applications, that is MCA. Yeah.
These are
And
two different things. What you are doing
yes,
now, and you are a good, successful entrepreneur. What I have seen, the review says all. We'll discuss about this later. Please carry on.
sure. So I also did 1 year. I did work for an IT company in Gujarat, Gandhinagar. That was before marriage. Like after marriage, I came to Pune. My hometown is Rajasthan. So, like, I didn't feel the need to work, right? But कुछ ऐसा हुआ, कुछ circumstances ऐसा आए point of time पे मुझे भी लगा नहीं यार, I am wasting like my time, I'm wasting everything. फिर
Right.
after my baby, I had some postpartum hair fall. Seriously, I was like, मम्मा प्लीज हेल्प मम्मा. अब मम्मी वहां बैठ के मुझे बार बार तो नहीं कर सकती. शी टोल्ड मी,
Right.
हाँ शी टोल्ड मी कि ऐसे कर ऐसे कर ऐसे बना. आई मेड फॉर माई सेल्फ. लाइक आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद इट कि हाँ जो मम्मी कर रही है हमारे लिए, पर पहली बार जरूरत पड़ी कि खुद के लिए कुछ करूं. ठीक है, आई डिड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. देन आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग. मतलब वो मुझे मन से अच्छा लगने लगा, मतलब मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं कभी, बट आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग. एंड छोटा छोटा बैच बनाया, मतलब मेरा जब खत्म हुआ तब. एंड सम ऑफ माय फैमिली फ्रेंड्स, माय नेबर्स, दे आल्सो आस्क्ड एंड आई गेव देम लाइक बना रही हूँ तो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सॉरी. So like this was the initial stage from where I started, and like it was immense pleasure, like to serve others when they say good to you. और मैंने बहुत छोटे से शुरू किया. You won't believe that I started from the scratch. But now today, like it is no looking back, seriously. And also then after I did my Formula Botanica course for all this stuff, because but जो भी मैंने कोर्स किया ना, जो मैंने उससे सीखा वो तो ठीक है, सिर्फ कोई कंटेंट कोई फॉर्मुलेशंस थे, बट जो मॉम ने सिखाया ना, मतलब वो आज भी, मतलब वो जो कहती है ना, आज भी हमेशा सही होता
That's
है.
why we always say moms are saviors. Like every time,
Seriously.
beat anything, we वो हमारे अगर लाइफ में मॉम का इंटरफेरेंस नहीं हो, we are nothing then. Definitely, there is always a miss without them.
Yes, so that was my journey started. And I know, matlab, I think you have known me from last so many years, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
तब बहुत initially I started with the Facebook thing, with the neighbors, friends, like how I started. But now, like you see my page, I'm really blessed with so many
I was
good people
surprised
around.
to see. I was surprised to see the following you have on Instagram because I did not knew you have reached to so many people already. So I thought, why not to have you in our life when you started this business way back? You definitely not had this thought कि
It's
हम
been
इतना आगे मैं
almost 4 years
जाऊंगा.
now. It's been almost
Uh,
4 years now. Yes.
so I guess when you started and that moment only you joined MW and then you started exploring, you started posting.
Right,
So
right.
MW को
I
भी
did.
6 साल हो गए and super feeling when I see people like you passionate because when you say कि जब मैंने करना शुरू किया था तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट आ गया. So
Seriously,
that
this
is
is
one
my
thing
passion
every
now.
entrepreneur must follow.
Seriously, this is like now I cannot live without. पता है ये जो
That is
कोरोना पीरियड
amazing.
था क्वारंटीन.
This is
Sorry.
a sign of growing, Shalini. This is a sign of growing. You
Yes,
are growing fabulously because you love your work. That's important.
yes, true. That is more important. Like without anything,
Now
when
I quickly shift to things what you make, what all you make.
sure, I'll just give you all the glimpses of whatever I
Yeah,
have, whatever I
yeah.
make, and like we start with I have complete hair and skincare range, like purely my handcrafted in small batches I make. I cannot make something very really big like 2 kg as required. मुझे जो लगता है कि नहीं, this is going, and I know what are my best sellers, how I have to work
Right.
upon. So, like, see, what is my bestseller is the onion oil, the hair care range, completely the hair care range. From there, I have grown to this level. So, I have started with like very small. ठीक है, छोटा batch बनाया था, and then like every week now, I have to make a batch of literally 100-200 bottles every week, and the problem
Fabulous.
is,
That's very good.
yes, and see, this is my onion oil. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys,
So,
so
yes.
Shalini is showing the product now. Open your eyes and watch carefully what she's showing.
So this is my most, like, from where I started. This is my onion oil. So I made a small batch like initially, but अभी ऐसा होता है ना कि मुझे पता है कि how much it is needed, और मेरी एक particular quantity है कि मैं उतना ही बना सकती हूँ, ठीक है, but the orders are high, so I have to keep the packaging as small as 125 ml.
It has good shelf life, you mean?
Yes, this goes around 1 year. But yes, it goes around 1 year, but it is better now. We don't keep like make so much of batch. Yeah, because as per the requirement, I make every week. तो मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. But the thing is, I have some limited containers in which I can make. So only that much quantity I can fill in one bottle because orders are high and the quantity is less I have.
I see your all the products. I want you to answer few queries first. Then we'll see your products. There was one query from Rupa, and she said, I guess she has dandruff, and also she gets pimples. I guess because of dandruff, somebody gets pimples. Rupa, I cannot see
Yes.
the query now.
Yes.
Yeah, so
you know what? Dandruff is kind of a fungal infection in our scalp, right? So if we have dandruff, there is a main cause of यहाँ पर acne pimples होना, और जहाँ भी अपने hair touch करेंगे face पे, तो वहाँ पर अपने को acne pimple आएगा. So what we have for dandruff, for hair fall, for like everything, for thinning, abhi the major issue of any person is hair fall, dandruff, thinning, graying, like premature graying, what we say. These are the major concerns for anybody. So what we have is a 3-step hair care. This is my onion oil. I'll show you. This is my hair pack. I hope you can see.
Yes, we can see that. Yeah.
And this is my shampoo. This is hibiscus and honey based shampoo. Yes. So this doesn't lather as we see the market ones, but these are very mild, free of chemical products. So don't expect the market wala lather and all. Okay. So this is my 3-step hair care. This will solve you all your hair concerns like thinning, graying. Like graying cannot be we cannot, reverse the graying. We can always reduce the graying. Many people ask me कि यार बहुत gray हो गए हैं, तो can it be reversed? No, we cannot reverse graying. That is not possible. अपने hair में ना कुछ pigments होते हैं, उसका color light हो जाता है. That is the cause of graying. But what we can do is always we can at least use some products which we know are trusted, genuine, and slowly the things will work and you can see reduced graying. Right? I have all the feedbacks where clients are saying like, अगर अपन root touch up करते हैं, color करते हैं. What we need is every month we need to go for color. But if they are saying कि मुझे 2-3 महीने जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, that means this is working.
अच्छा, okay.
You know, that means this is working because this has reduced their graying to an extent.
Right.
So reverse graying is not possible, but
Should be
yes.
applied step by step.
Yes, like first is the pack. You apply the pack first, then the same day when you apply the pack, you just need to rinse off thoroughly with water. Only with water. Yeah, plain water. And then in the night, oil use karo, and next morning shampoo. So this is the easiest regime to follow. Right now we have like many things in our hair care. I started with all these 3 things first, and also like many people have the concerns of dryness, you know, frizz, tangles. So we have our conditioners here.
Okay.
Yeah, our hair butters. I'll show you the texture of hair butter.
Hair butter. Wow, that's something
This
new.
is Yes, this is kind of a spa cream. We have all the oils used, all the good butters used, like if you have heard about shea butters, cocoa butters, mango butters. Yes. So these gives extra moisture to our hair, right?
Okay.
So these are conditioners, these are hair butters. We have hair serums too. Can you see this?
Yes.
This is basically, you know what, have you ever used this Livon kind of thing?
Yeah, once in life and that's it. Never.
It's supposed that we need to take 2-3 drops like in the palm. I'll just show you once. Just if you can see, drop.
Yes, yeah.
And we just do this and we apply on our length.
Okay.
So this gives our frizz-free hair.
Okay.
Yeah. And it smells great because it has avocado oil. These are essential oils that are very like non-sticky. These are not at all sticky. So this will help with the dryness thing.
Viewers, at least you're satisfied that you're applying your products in front of us yourself. So, okay, fine. We trust you. That don't trust you definitely because I have seen so many products which I did not know on your profile, and this really works for people. I have read the reviews. I want to know the dandruff you were saying, dandruff से जो acne वगैरह होता है, लेकिन अभी क्या है कि
This was excellent for dandruff. This hair pack.
Okay.
Because
no, what I'm asking is जो dandruff है वो weather change होने के साथ भी होता है. तो what you were telling me about the fungus scalp पे रहता है, पर ये जो seasonal रहता है ये उसके लिए भी है?
Yes, you know, see, मतलब seasonal जो भी hair fall रहता है ना, we do not have to worry about the seasonal hair fall anytime. ठीक है? Main causes of hair fall is first, if you have dandruff, hair fall होगा, right? If you have some internal deficiencies like vitamin D, B12, iron, hair fall होगा. If you are facing any of the hormonal imbalances, hair fall होगा. So these are the major reasons कि hair fall होगा. मतलब अगर we have to, but what we can do is अपन अगर अपने hair को proper nutrients दे सकते हैं, तो it can cause you less of hair fall, right? We cannot assure anybody कि नहीं होगा. But checking my reviews to my experience of last 4 years, the trust of these because of the people around, I can assure you, if you are giving a good nutrient to your hair, it will surely help. ठीक है? अपन को अपनी internal deficiency.
It's just not this regime which you are offering. It has to be a diet balance, hormonal balance, everything. So somebody just asked me here, बच्चों को भी white hair हो रहे हैं. Somebody is asking. So what do you suggest? वो hormonal balance है या you can apply your product?
Yes, they can start at least using the onion oil because, you know, even doctors prescribed onion extracts, onion contents in their medicines. Like I have many doctor clients too. So somebody told me that if I'm getting results from this, why not I should like, I should subscribe this to people, because
Right.
onion extracts are really very, very powerful. It
Yes.
has a great sulfur content. So, like early premature graying, we can at least reduce by these products, and also some of our diet, like iron deficiencies, vitamin D deficiencies. These are like very essential to check upon.
Right. So this is the
Yes.
same thing for what you are showing for dandruff is the same for the hair fall?
Yes, these three will work for dandruff, hair fall, thinning, everything.
Okay.
You know what this hair pack has? It has main ingredient as methi dana, fenugreek
Ah,
seeds, if you've heard
yes.
about. Yes. So
Yeah.
this is really very effective with 14 other herbs. So you can trust, like you can check the page, you can trust the things, and
No, no,
also I'll show you. And this is my shampoo bars, if you can see.
Achha. Yeah.
Yes. You know what? Shampoo में we cannot add, herbs and all. मतलब जो dandruff वाली चीज को control करते हैं. But
हाँ.
इसमें we can add herbs. If you can see, like in the
Yes,
soap.
we can see that. Right.
Yes. So इसमें we can add. And it is free of that surfactant जो अपन इसमें use करते हैं वो मैं इसमें use नहीं कर सकती हूँ, right?
Right.
So we have made specially this for dandruff wale people, and this. So this will sure help with the dandruff thing. These are my shampoo bars. You can check out the reviews for these. These gives excellent results.
Right. So, what I was asking, I forgot to looking at your products, man. You have huge range of products, Shalini. And how do you manage making all this stuff?
You don't ask me, man. It's managing, packing, dispatching, making. My daughter.
For this all?
Sorry?
You have team who do
Yes,
this?
I have one helper. I have one helper for me, like in everything, all the formulations. And one I have, like, we have big grinders, for this hair pack thing.
Right.
Because these are mainly herbs, जो हमको raw मिलते हैं ingredients when we take. है ना? So we have big grinders for this. And for the oil, I have one particular person who makes in front of me at my house. So, and other formulations, that is not very difficult for me because like 1-2 kg batches.
Easy for you to make and but it's a good thing to give people these remedies because ultimately it's organic and not harmful for hair and skin what you are making. Tell me how many times this pack is supposed to be applied in a week?
This and the oil, both twice a week. This and the oil.
Twice a week.
Yeah, twice a week, both. And also, like what we have in hair care is 7 of the products. I showed you oil, pack, shampoo, conditioners, hair butters, hair serums. Also, what we have is our herbs henna.
What is that?
Henna, herbs henna. Just
Henna, okay.
henna, yes. And this is our indigo powder.
Okay.
Yeah. So also I need to tell you, like lot many people ask me how to use henna and how indigo is different. So today I got a platform at least. Yes. See, henna gives burgundy kind of color when we apply, right?
Right.
And over it, when we apply indigo, it gives us natural hair color, that is black hair color. That is natural. Isme we have added 14 herbs extra. That won't cause you any dryness. It is like the excellent conditioner for your hair. It won't cause you any dryness. Many people say कि market वाले henna से हमको dryness हो रहा है. But yes. I am very sure कि इसको use करने के बाद you won't feel the dryness. It will give you excellent conditioning properties because it has like many herbs also added. 14 extra herbs after henna. And first day we applied this, and second day we applied this indigo powder. This works only when we apply henna. It gives us natural hair color that is black. Indigo means जो नील की पत्ती होती है ना, नील मतलब एक पेड़ होता है, नील की पत्तियां जिसको कहते हैं. Exactly, that is a blue colored ink kind of thing. So that is indigo powder.
So what is the procedure? What to be applied first and what next? First,
First to be applied henna, yes, and second day or the same day if you're not tired, or second day, just mix it with water and apply, like make a paste like henna and apply all over the grays, and however like the thick layer you need to apply, not color jaisa patla patla layer, no, we have to apply thick layer because this is natural. It has to be both like to natural way. अपन इसको कलर जैसे से पतला पतला नहीं लगा सकते.
कितना देर
Sorry?
रखने का फिर? कितना देर
1.5 hour both. 1.5 hour henna and 1.5 hour indigo.
So this you are saying कि hair at least dry नहीं होंगे?
नहीं, not at all. Not at all with henna. But indigo में उतनी properties नहीं है because this is mainly the नील की पत्ती वाला thing. इसमें इतनी properties नहीं है. तो इसको करने के बाद essentially we apply oil. Oil जरूरी होता है because it gives, कैसे अपन हाथों पे कलर लगाते हैं, जब हाथों पे मेहंदी लगाते हैं we put oil, it gives us good color. The same thing goes to this. तो इसको लगाने के बाद you don't ज्यादा डिटैंगलिंग में नहीं पड़ना है. अप्लाई नॉर्मल ऑयल, ड्राई होने के बाद एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू डू शैम्पू. अच्छा, इट विल बी गुड टू गो. सो दिस वाज माय
पूछना किसी का क्वेरी था अभी कि उनके जो बाल हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन ऑयली हो जाते हैं, तो आप जैसे आपके पास शैम्पू है, व्हाट एल्स डू यू सजेस्ट फॉर दैट?
हेयर पैक विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट विद द ऑयली स्कैल्प. यू नो, इसको लगाना लाइक जरूरी नहीं है कि हमको हमारे वॉश्ड या क्लीन शैम्पू हेयर पे ही लगाना है. आपने 2 दिन पहले शैम्पू किया है, यू हैव अनक्लीन हेयर नाउ, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस. अच्छा. एंड आई एम श्योर इट विल रिमूव ऑफ द ऑयल, इट विल रिमूव ऑफ द डर्ट फ्रॉम योर स्कैल्प. नो नीड टू शैम्पू.
After this, is she supposed to wash with shampoo again?
No, not needed. Not needed at all. Okay. And if you are good with the hairdo of the pack, तो next night oil करो, नहीं तो same night oil कर लो और next morning shampoo use करो. Right. Either shampoo bars or shampoo, but this will help you to control the oily scalp.
All right. So I guess one of the viewer has got the answer. So Shalini, this was about the hair care, but we have actually I saw many products about pigmentation, under this dark circles under eye. वो भी आप सब बनाती हो?
Yes, complete skincare. See, Shalu, I'll tell you. Skincare depends. I don't give skincare without consulting. Like, what I need to know is your skin type, your skin concerns, right? You have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. I need to know your skin type and what are your concerns. Like, major concerns are acne, pigmentation, dark circles, you know, and I mostly see people acne like with hair, chin part around the chin and lower jaw. That is because mainly of the hormonal imbalance. जो डैंड्रफ यहाँ होती है उसका रीजन अलग होता है, और जो एक्ने यहाँ फोरहेड पे होता है उसका रीजन अलग होता है. एंड एक्ने ऑन दी चिन, लोअर जॉ, दैट इज प्योरली because of hormonal imbalances.
Hang on. So we need to clarify this thing to our members. So you're trying to say that acne up on the above part on the face is different, on the lower part is completely different. It has different reasons.
Yes, it has different, and it has to be treated with your lifestyle also. You know, lifestyle changes, proper diet, no junk, no more junk. Like normal तो सभी खाएंगे ही खाते ही हैं, but these are some of the major things like we can look upon. And I'll tell you something, like the main causes for acne is hormonal imbalance. I told you. I'll just tell you the products that can be used for the acne thing. This is my neem face pack. This is purely neem face pack. मतलब सिर्फ नीम, आंबा हल्दी जिसको कहते हैं वो, ठीक है, जायफल जो होता है, मतलब these are the purest herbs that can be treated for the acne thing. We have, this is my 5-in-1 magic mask, if you can see.
And ये किस लिए है?
ये this is for acne. This is You know, this is like complete therapy for acne, scars, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, everything. That's why I named it as 5-in-1 Magic Mask. So,
Okay.
like, it will help you a lot with all your skin concerns, mainly uneven skin tones. I told you acne, pigmentation, everything, tanning, and all. So, this is what I suggest when I see like most of the concerns. Neem
Right.
Pak, this is the detox gel. You know, I have many gels. Gels are mostly for oily skin people. So this is my detox gel, guys. If you can see,
Yes.
yeah, this has aloe vera, green tea extracts that is like mainly good for acne thing. So this is my one of the best sellers. Also, I have acne soap. And that's it for the acne. These four things will work wonders on your skin. And I just let you know, you can check my page for all the feedbacks or recommendations, so you can be also sure about the things.
If somebody is asking that she has open pores on her cheeks, uh,
Yes.
it can be
For
done.
open, yes, for open pores, it is like main concern for the people. So we have red wine gel, and also the magic mask will help. So this is the red wine gel.
Okay.
This will help. रेड वाइन का बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी होता है पोर टाइटनिंग स्किन ग्लोइंग एंटी एजिंग सो दिस इज द मेन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेड वाइन जेल सो इट विल हेल्प एंड ऑल्सो द मैजिक मास्क आई टोल्ड यू इट विल हेल्प टू सो अकॉर्डिंग
And
टू द स्किन कंसर्न्स
carry on. I was just reading the query that somebody is asking, tea area is oily and blackheads on nose. Please suggest something.
See, for blackheads, I always say whenever we scrub, we need एकदम mild scrub. We don't need harsh scrubs जो
Yeah.
हमको थोड़ा मतलब चुभे या ऐसा कुछ. We need very mild scrubs. But what we have to do is थोड़ा oil reduce करना पड़ेगा अपने को nose area पे. So oil reducing के लिए this magic mask is excellent thing because it has like very beneficial clays. If you have heard about kaolin, you
Yes,
know,
that
like
Multani Mitti
bentonite.
and all we used to.
Yes, so this
Uh,
is like this has many essential clays. So this will surely help to control the oil. Once we control the oil, तो अपने को ज़्यादा oil secretion नहीं होगा. उससे अपने को blackheads, pimples का problem इतना नहीं होगा. And what we can do is थोड़ा time अगर अपन खुद को पूरे दिन में दे सकते हैं like once a week also अगर हम थोड़ा ना scrub करके steam ले लें
right.
we won't need the parlor things the salon things you know like अगर अपन घर पे ही खुद का care थोड़ा बहुत कर लेना तो we won't need to like we have many scrubs too. I'll show you
Do
some.
you have any scrub also?
Yes, this is my Choco Shea scrub.
Okay.
This is mainly for dry skin people. This I have for chocolate lovers. This is chocolate vanilla scrub. This time I made vanilla. So
You
these scrubs
definitely
will
have
help.
high-end buyers for chocolate वाले के लिए बहुत buyers होंगे आपके पास.
Yes, that is like one of my bestseller. This gives a wonderful result. So, you know what, whenever you use the scrub, take little steam, scrub well on the nose area. You need to do it repeatedly, at least twice a week. Exfoliation is important. So that's why scrub, face wash, like this all has a routine to follow.
You have two scrubs or more you have?
Sorry?
You have two scrubs. You have two scrubs or you have more
Yeah,
than two
as of
scrubs?
now, we have 2 scrubs. My charcoal scrubs are finished. For oily skin people, I suggest charcoal
You
scrub.
made them. Charcoal
Yes,
scrub you
yes,
made. And that is
yes,
for
we
which
have.
skin type?
Sorry,
That is for charcoal के लिए कौन सा skin type? वो किसके लिए है?
oily skin people.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay.
So oily skin people can use charcoal face wash. Also, what we have like today, pigmentation. Yes, that is also a major concern. So for pigmentation, I have just read like many things. Firstly, Shalu, I just want to say whatever I make, like 2 months trial वो मुझ पर होता है कि how it is working. Yes, because
What
I
is your
cannot
skin
just.
type?
माई इज वेरी ऑयली मुझे
Oil.
कुछ क्रीम नहीं सूट करता है मार्केट वंस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं एंड यू नो व्हाट ऑयली स्किन पीपल को जेल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर्स ही यूज करने चाहिए बिकॉज दीज आर वाटर बेस्ड जेल मॉइस्चराइजर्स लाइक आई शो यू we have saffron glow gel. This is my bestseller. I use this, my personal favorite. This is the red wine gel, and I showed you this, the detox gel. My containers were over.
एक सेकंड, शालिनी, जेल को कब लगाना होता है, इसका क्या प्रोसीजर है?
Gel normally as a moisturizer for oily skin people. तो आप after face wash we always need a moisturizer, भले वो कोई सी भी skin type हो. We need cleansing, toning and moisturizing. That is the main important part. So after face wash we need to apply gels for oily skin people and creams for dry skin people always.
एंड जेल लगा के फेस वॉश करना है?
नहीं, let it be. It will
Okay.
it will be absorbed by the skin, so you not need to worry. Yeah.
So hold on, we have queries here. Zaiba is asking, does regular use of onion oil reduce hair fall, and how many days in a week it should be applied? I guess twice you said already.
Twice a week, and also Shalu, like many people ask कि कितने time में result मिलेगा, right?
हाँ.
हाँ, तो you know हमेशा result depends on individual. मैं मेरा कुछ और हो सकता है, आपका कुछ और.
Right.
किसी को 2-3 वॉश में भी रिजल्ट मिलता है, किसी को 1 month भी लगते हैं, किसी को 1 year भी लगता है.
Yeah.
So this completely depends on the individual. We cannot assure anybody कि मतलब इतने ही टाइम में आपको फर्क पड़ जाएगा. But what I say always is trust, patience and regular applications. I'm sure it will help you. Like इतने
Right.
साल से
That's I completely
experience.
agree with that. So another question is, what should be the sequence of using scrub and steam and cleaning?
Okay, I'll just tell you. First is the cleaning part. Wash your face properly, cleanse it well, okay, with the cleansers or with the face wash, anything. Then what you do is just scrub, take little scrub, not very harsh ones, mild scrubs for your skin always. So take little scrubs and properly scrub your face. Scrub हुआ, उसको cotton से सिर्फ wipe it off, and then you take steam for 5 minutes, and then you can just use your towel and something to just remove the blackheads. अगर अपन अपनी skin को ऐसे पकड़ेंगे भी ना तो blackheads will be out. You know, सिर्फ normal ये करना है, and after scrub you can apply the toner and the pack, face pack.
Okay, all right.
Yes, so
Toner is
this
astringent, like any
हाँ.
astringent.
It helps to close the pores.
Okay, right.
Because when we scrub, our pores are open. Because when we scrub our skin, तो हमारे pores open होते हैं. तो उसको बंद करने के लिए we apply toners. And
Okay,
then
yes, right, agree.
yes, and then face packs.
So you have wonderful queries to answer today. So brace yourself. What to use if we can't use onion oil? Probably वो शायद onion नहीं use करना चाहते हैं. So there are any other options?
Yes, you can. Like our oil has onion as 80% oil, onions as 80% ingredient. Also, we add like most 10 herbs also, like curry patta, methi dana, है ना. Onion अगर नहीं use करना है तो onion के seeds आते हैं. We can add that to the oil. Hibiscus flowers we can add. So we can like use those things also. But what we use as a base oil.
On order?
Sorry.
You make these things on order if somebody is not willing to have this onion
No,
oil?
because you know I don't get time to make separate like oils
Okay, you
beside the
think
onion
that
oil.
what they can do, if they don't want to use onion oil, they can do this.
Yes, they can. Like I can tell the formulations. They can try at their homes to at least make the oil for themselves, because onion is a key ingredient. That is why this is one of our bestseller. So I don't make the customized oils, but yes, I can explain them. Not a problem anytime.
Okay, and Shweta is asking, so dry skin are not supposed to use gel. I have a dry skin.
No,
Dry skin
because
के लिए आपने
these.
बताया है ना?
No, dry skin people always need to use creams, because these are cream based. Matlab their skin needs more of hydration. So only cream based. So we have Kumkumadi cream for dry skin people. That is the excellent. I have brightening cream too for dry skin people. That is excellent. And also we have one BB Glow cream too. I'll just show you the texture of this cream, if you can see.
can say that.
This
Yeah.
is the organic BB cream what we get in the markets. मतलब same वैसा effect नहीं, but yes, I have the feedback कि it is giving मतलब better results than market वाला BB cream. So this can be used with dry skin people also and oily skin people also. Yes,
Okay.
it will.
So,
हाँ, and it blends with all Indian skin tones.
So Neha is asking how to order a complete regime. आपको Glow and Bloom के पेज पे जाना है और उनका WhatsApp लिंक है. इनके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की रेंज है नेहा, वहाँ पे जाके देखिए. प्रोबेबली जो आप ऑर्डर करने जाएंगी उससे ज्यादा वैरायटी आपको मिल जाएगी. तो स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर के लिए शालिनी इज ऑलवेज देयर टू गाइड यू गाइस. हमारी MWFB
Always.
पर मैंने कई बार इन्हें टैग किया है. So she will suggest you as per your skin type, so you can connect to her. Shama is asking toners and astringent are different things or same?
No, it's not very much different. It's almost same. If you use toners, that is good to go. Astringent
Okay.
ना मतलब थोड़ा सा toner थोड़ा mild होता है. Always search for no alcohol content in the toners. मतलब मार्केट में बहुत सारे टोनर्स मिलते हैं जिसमें अल्कोहलिक कंटेंट होता है. सो बेटर यू ऑलवेज गो फॉर टोनर्स विच आर फ्री ऑफ अल्कोहल. लाइक दे डोंट हैव अल्कोहल एज अ कंटेंट.
That's wonderful. I am continuously reading queries, Shalini, for you. What can be used for pigmentation? Poonam is asking.
Pigmentation, we have this 5-in-1 magic mask. We have this 5-in-1 where it is, yeah. We have this 5-in-1 magic mask. We have a depigmentation soap. We have our vitamin
I think
C.
we both have to speak a little louder because the festival in Mumbai going on, Ganpati Bappa,
Okay.
and the background noise is there. So we have
Okay,
to
can
speak
you
a
hear
little
me?
louder.
Can you hear me?
Sorry?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Just for
Yeah.
our viewers, I'm saying just a little louder. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the depigmentation soap. We have magic mask and we have the glow drops. These are vitamin C glow drops. These will help you to lighten your pigmentation. This will gradually decrease your pigmentations around cheeks or जो भी आता है chin के आसपास. These all will help, I'm sure.
ये
So
पिगमेंटेशन वाले ड्रॉप्स आप दिखा रहे हो, ये कि इनको रात को लगा के सो जाना है कि कैसा है?
this, yes, we need to apply this. Just 2-3 drops needed, like here. Massage it like in circular motion, and we are done. After 20 minutes, if you feel the need, you can apply any gel or cream. If not, like let it be only this vitamin C glow drops.
And this is featured in your Instagram profile. It's there.
Yes, it is with a recommendation videos also.
पूनम आप इनके प्रोफाइल भी जाके देख सकते हैं. आई थिंक आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो गई है. Archana says you are coming across as a wonderful person, and somebody is asking for dark circles what we will apply. हाँ भाई, ये बहुत
Yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि मम्मी लोग को स्लीप नहीं मिलता है शालिनी, एंड एंड ऑफ
Yes.
द डे वो लोग को डार्क सर्कल्स दिखते हैं. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे वो?
Firstly, I'll say take proper sleep. That is really, really important for anybody. Secondly, उससे थोड़ा stress कम होगा तो सब अच्छा होगा.
उसको, क्योंकि स्लीप वाला तो वो फंडा हो गया पुराना. दे ट्राई बट दे डोंट गेट, बिकॉज़ अभी जो नई मॉम्स है हमारी, उनके लिए थोड़ी हेल्प हो जाएगी अगर आपके पास कुछ है तो.
Sure. This is my vitamin C serum. Under eye serum. This will sure help you with the dark circle things, under eye puffiness, fine lines. It has to be applied only around the eyes on the clean face. So it will help, and also this vitamin C glow drops. These will help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have anything for the neck also? Blackness around the neck, Shweta is asking.
Yeah, I had, but I have finished. So like I have the huge demand for
But
this.
no, you make it. You have.
Yes, I had the soap also. I had the cream also for dark skin lightening cream. But I've finished a
आप
lot
बनाने
of
वाले हो ना? आप अभी
Yes, in a month I'll make.
अभी नहीं. हाँ,
Yes,
that's what.
in a
So you
month.
make it.
In a month
That's
I'll
what
make.
I'm asking. So I guess हमने अभी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आपके देख लिए हैं, शालिनी.
Yes, almost I have shown you like
और बहुत
everything.
सारे.
Vitamin
हाँ,
C
और वो
range
बहुत
में
सारे हैं.
Vitamin C range. Vitamin C range है. This is like vitamin C face wash, and this is vitamin C glow drops. So this
Okay.
is my vitamin C range. You can see everything on my page. I'll ask my followers to please check out the
Yes,
page.
I want everyone to follow her page and see the reviews also. And she has featured all the products with the details. You are doing fabulous, Shalini. Mommy's World for you and me. Say thanks to you and super glad to have you today. You are doing a
Same
wonderful job.
here,
Keep
Shalu. You
shining
don't
in.
know what this platform has given to like the all the mompreneurs, what this platform has given. Seriously, hats off to you too, what you are doing for all of us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'll see you once again when we have something lined up. Till then,
Sure.
take care. Love you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much. Bye bye.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
What a wonderful session, guys. हम शायद इससे ज़्यादा स्विच नहीं मांग सकते थे. Just for queries. आज ये सेशन मैंने स्ट्रेच होने दिया बिकॉज क्वेरीज ऐसी थी जिसका आंसर हम सबको चाहिए था और हम नहीं चाहते थे किसी भी तरीके से कि किसी का भी कुछ मिस हो जाए. फॉर दिस रीजन आज ये सेशन नहीं रोका गया. Generally, ये session 30 minutes का होता है and we have exceeded the time limit. So once again, thank you everyone for joining, watching, giving your positive reviews for Mommy's World for you and me. And we really love you. Take care. Happy parenting. I'll see you again next Friday. That is about homeopathy for adults and kids. See you all. Bye-bye. Good night. Take care.